When to use definite articles. So when do you need to use a definite article in Italian? Okay, so there are many exceptions, but here are some general guidelines to follow. So, needless to say, you're going to use an article more often than you're not going to use a definite article. Okay, so these are just some of the example or some of the circumstances that you would use a definite article. I'll just go over them real quick. So when talking about a specific noun, when referring to a person with a title, when talking about clothes and parts of the body, when there is a reflexive verb used before the noun, with dates and times, when referring to general categories and abstract nouns like friendship, peace, or love, when referring to something previously talked about, with most possessive adjectives, there are some exceptions, with names of languages, with names of countries, continents, and regions, except after di, in, or with the verb andare, and with geographical features like lakes, rivers, large islands, volcanoes, and mountain ranges. Okay, so when in doubt, use a definite article. It's you're probably more likely to have to use it than to not use it. So, for example, questo è il cane di Giuseppe. This is Giuseppe's dog. So in this instance, we're talking about a specific noun, okay? Specific noun. Il signor Rossi è un avvocato. Mr. Rossi is a lawyer. So this one, we're using it because it's a person with a title. Ti fa male la schiena? Does your back hurt? Okay, we're using the definite article because we're talking about a body part. Gli piacciono le macchine. He likes cars. Okay, in this instance, we're talking about a general category of cars. And la camicia è fatta in Italia. The shirt was made in Italy. Okay, in this one, we're talking about clothing. So we'd use it. Okay, so like I said, if you're wondering if you're going to use it or not, just probably err on the side of using it. And if not, then, it's okay to, to make a mistake.